Is your external component the NAudio WinForms module DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish NAudio Project links. Quickly resolve NAudio WinForms module inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the NAudio WinForms module, a specialized module for the NAudio NET library that handles the UI integration, waveform plotting, for WinForms applications. It is used by specialized audio editing tools and VTubing software. If missing, the app will report an assembly load failure, preventing the display of audio waveform graphics. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Because NAudio WinForms module DLL is a proprietary component linked to the NAudio project system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the NAudio WinForms module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Be aware that manual interventions for NAudio WinForms module DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for NAudio WinForms module. Thank you for trusting us with NAudio WinForms module repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.